Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add your Facebook pixel to Squarespace website in 2024. Of course, Facebook pixel is a powerful tool that helps you track conversions, and it will also let you optimize ads and also build some targeted audiences for your campaigns. So if you're running like Facebook ads or you're just planning to add the pixel to your website, this tutorial is a must for you. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, of course, you can just go to the URL section. And all you need to do, of course, is just go and access, first of all, as an example, your Squarespace website. So go type squarespace.com, hit the enter button, and this should take you into the home screen or main screen of Squarespace right away. Of course, if it's your first time, you can just go here, click on login to log in into your account. If you have an account and if you don't have an account, click on get started here to create an account. So for me as example, I'll just go here and click on login. So once I am here, I'll just go and click on continue with Google. As you can see, you can use also an Apple account, Facebook account, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account, as you can see in here and creating options. So as we said, I'll just go here to login, choose my Google account right here. And yeah, I'll basically choose my account, as simple as that. So let me just go and log in into it. Of course, it's asking me for a code, so I'll just go and enter that code and I'm coming back into you. So once you logged in as an example, it will take you right away to your dashboard without any problems. Here, as you can see, you'll see the list of the websites that you have as an example. So for me here, I have two websites. For you, if you don't have a website yet, you can simply just go here, click on create a website to create your own website if you still don't have it. Of course, I've already made a video about it, how to create a website, and how to get started using it. I've even showed you a video on how to create a website using AI if you want to go and check it out later. So as an example for me, I'm not going to create a website. Of course, like if you create a website as an example, it will just take you to here and you can start creating your websites. For me, all I'll just do here, I'll just go to this specific website. As an example, let's say I'll choose this website to connect or to add Facebook pixel to it. So here as an example, let me just wait. Of course, in the meantime, let's just go and open a new tab. Would like to go to Facebook pixel. Just type that, hit the enter button. Once you do so, of course, make sure to click on this first link. So you'll be taken, of course, to Metapixel or Facebook Pixel, and of course, you will have to log in into your account if you still did not log in yet. As an example here, I'll just go and log in into my account, and of course, here you'll have to enter your email address to log in into your account with the password. So make sure to do it. For me, I'll do the same, and I'll come back to you. So once you're logged in as an example, you'll be taken in here. Here, basically, what you should do, as you can see, we would like to get your Facebook pixel code. Of course, Facebook will generate normally a snippet of code that you will need to add to your website. Of course, where you will get basically that code from, you'll need to go basically to the event manager. Of course, if you go to this list panel as an example, you'll find here all tools and you'll basically have to look for events manager. Go and click on that. And of course, you'll be taken to the events manager. Yeah, as simple as that. Of course, here you'd like to click on connect data if it's your first time. Once you click on connect data, of course, they'll tell you to connect a new data source. All you need to do is to choose a web. For me, as example, I will not be able to choose it. Why? Because you must have a business manager account to connect to a new data source. I don't have that for you. If you have a business manager account, you'll be able to go and click on web, and of course, they will generate a code. Now, all you need to do, of course, just go back to your Squarespace websites. Of course, here you'll find basically your websites. You can just go once you're logged into your Squarespace website, of course, to add the pixel code to your website header. Basically, you can just go and access the header and edit this and add that code, as simple as that. Of course, how can you add it to the header? You can, as an example, go to this panel, click on settings right here. Once you click on settings as an example, you'll be able to edit multiple stuff. So if we go as an example and even like go to this list panel, click on third-party tools, look for connected accounts. Let's just look as an example for Facebook. So as an example, we'll find Facebook here. Of course, as an example, if we go back, click on extensions, let's just look for Facebook pixels. Of course, I'll just go back to that Facebook, but as an example here, I'll just type Facebook. As you can see, no Facebook in here, but there's this one as an example. This will transform some static products catalogs into dynamic products feeds of 100, of course, of channels like Google, Facebook, and Amazon. If you want to get this, of course, it's paid though. kind of $40 per month if you want to get it. There's the light commerce and oat fee. If you want to get those also, this will create some stunning social media graphics and automate social media posts if you want to. This will enable multi-channel selling, bulk listing products, sync orders with the top global marketplace such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, etc. There's a lot of options. So for me here, I'll just go back. As simple as that. I'll just click on connected accounts. And as we said, we can click on connect account, click on Facebook, and here, of course, we'll be able to log in to our own Facebook. All we need to do basically is just go and enter the password, then basically click on continue. Once we click on continue, of course, I have this problem. Why? Because this is personal account. This is not like a business account, as we said before. So if you have a business account, your Facebook will be connected, and it will even make it easier, as example, to connect your Facebook pixels, as we said. So basically, if you have your business accounts ready, all you need to do, as we said before, go to your Facebook pixels, log into your Squarespace websites, go to this event manager. You'll find this, of course, in this list panel. You'll find the all tools, you'll find events manager, click on it, click on connected data, click on web, and they will give you a code. And all you need to do is simply add that code in the header of your Squarespace website. Whatever website you have, of course, you'll have to go and add it. So if we go as an example, click here on edits as example and click on edit header. As example, we'll be able to edit the design, elements of it, a lot of other stuff also about this example. As you can see, if you click in here as example, you'll be able to edit like some design about its colors and etc. You can add some element to the header, as example, some buttons, social media cards, account, language switch if people want to switch. But as an example, how can you add like that code specifically to the header? How can you do that? So basically to do it, go here and all you need to do, go of course to websites. Once you go to websites, of course, just click on pages. After that, of course, if you go here to website tools, you can go to custom CSS. Of course, if you want to add here any custom CSS code. Other than that, what we want or what we're looking for is this code injection. Just go and look for it. Here, as you can see, you'll have the header. All you need to do, just add your header code in here and you should be good to go. Once you add that, save the changes, and yeah, that's it. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.